Did you know? Van sales have increased by nearly 60% since 2000. There are now over 4 million vans on the UK's roads, clocking up over 1 billion miles a week and delivering £56 billion in wages to the UK economy. Britain works on tyres. But did you know, loading in that odd extra package or adding a few more drops on the daily schedule might be putting you and others at risk? Overloading is the most common offence identified at roadside checks, and you could drive away with an £800 fine. Overloading also accounts for 70% of prohibitions on LCVs. Could you afford for your van to be off the road? Overloading isn't just bad for business, it's also dangerous. If your van is heavier than it was designed for, it'll be unstable and take longer to stop. Overloading also puts extra stress on your tyres. The excess weight changes the tyre's shape, leading to a build-up of heat when it's being driven. When that happens, your tyre can have a catastrophic failure. You can find your van's maximum permissible weight and the tyre's appropriate load index in your handbook. You should always ensure your tyres have the right load index for the van. You should also ensure your tyre pressures are right for the load. It's not only safer, but you'll use less fuel and reduce CO2 emissions. Good for your pocket and the environment. Tyre pressures can be found in your handbook, inside the fuel filler cap or on a plate on the front door sill. While you're checking your pressure, pay attention to the general condition of your tyres. Chances are you've encountered the odd pothole or bump in your travels, and these can seriously damage tyres. Take a good look at each tyre, and if you see any lumps, cuts or anything out of the ordinary, get them checked by a professional. Don't forget, to stay legal, you need to make sure your tyre's tread depth is above the minimum 1.6mm legal limit. Follow TyreSafe's checks regularly to help keep you and your van safe on the road. Britain works on tyres.